It's so great being gay, isn't it? Oh my gosh, it's so great to do things queer and lovely. Do y'all believe in magic? Oh yes, I believe in magic. I believe in dark magic, and I believe in light magic. You know, you can't have light without the dark. They go hand in hand. Ladies and gentlemen, once upon a time, nobody talked shit, nobody knew shit, and nobody gave a shit. Maestro, can you go to the next track, please? I'm gonna light you up for a second. Listen to the lyrics, motherfucker. Here we go. Bitch, I know you're a fan, and you don't know your place, but it's about time that you know that you look a damn mess and you won't ever win. You're generic, you weak asshole. Though you may come for me, I will never be pressed. Do you want to get red tonight? Then sit down. Oh girl, bye, I will force you to cry. Do you want me to get that ass right? I'll get that ass right. You know I don't play. Bitch, fuck what you thought. I guess you forgot my petty ass ways. I'll get that ass right. I'm not in the mood. You'll end up with scars. I throw shade real hard. Don't make me get rude. Have several seats, bitch. Make some noise! You know, I grew up in a really small town. It was Palaca, Florida. And I used to say I was 1% bi. I said to myself, when I got to high school, I was like, I'm not gonna be bi anymore. I'm not gonna like men anymore. I'm gonna be straight because I got told a lot that I was going to hell. Recently, I've been doing my own spiritual research on heaven and hell, God and the devil. And I had a conversation with God. I said, you know, because I talk to God like this. I'm like, God, what the fuck going on? We got all these motherfuckers down here thinking they know, and they don't really fucking know. So you mean to tell me you created sex and gay people and all these different things just for them not to experience life? No. I went through a lot of things where I had sex with a lot of straight men. Some of them spiritually connected and telling people that they were going to hell. Yes, I think he knows, well, she knows, you're on the down low. Oh God, oh boo, who you trying to fool? You're gay or bi, but definitely not straight. Come on, we all see right through you. You hate yourself. You think you'll go to hell. The lies that you try to believe. Who you're trying to fool. Denial is real. Just tell the damn truth. Come on, we all see right through you. Fight it all you want, but this is whack. The gays, they all talk. They see you on Jack and Grindr and Scruff and all these places. How about you tell your wife who you're trying to fool? Oh, man. So I created a brand. You know, I've been through therapy. I've been through all of the different things. I actually stopped this brand because I was like, maybe this is like bringing me to something I don't need to be in. And I was like, this was my therapy before therapy. Being open and being authentically myself was my therapy. I went through a phase where I was self-harming myself through validation, through men, through drugs, through all that shit, because I didn't feel like I was good enough to be here. I love you too. Until I realized that everything is inside of me. The world is me pushed out. Maestro, hit that next track. I'm going to sing to all these men that I've had sex with in the past. This goes out to all those girls out there. You can turn the track down a little bit, Maestro. Though he may be fine and wants to be with me, girl, I had your man, can't you understand? Listen to this tea. Bitch, you're playing dumb. He's been with me for weeks, though he may be fine. I ain't got the time. Take him back, bitch, please. Bitch's ass is lame. Get him out my sight. You can have him whole. Yes, bitch, I am sure. Get him out my life, though he may be fine. The sex wasn't all that fun. Girl, just take him back. I don't want his ass. Please get gone. The song is almost done. And bitch, he's still here, though he may be fine. I ain't got the time. Take him back, bitch, please. Though he may be fine, I ain't got the time. Take him back, bitch, please. Ah, yes. So let me tell y'all something. This world is pretty amazing. Until you start to see the amazingness, it is a hell. See, I really believe in my reality, because everybody's reality is different in this room. Y'all might be seeing me looking pink. Some of y'all might be seeing me looking blue. Y'all might be not even seeing me at all, because some of this shit ain't even fucking real. But what I'm going to say is, I feel like queer people, we have a superpower. We have a resilience about us. And no matter what they tell you, no matter what the media says, no matter what is coming next, because it's coming, you remember that they are not in your world. The only thing that you got to remember is it's all here. Maestro, hit that last track. I just like getting naked. Look at this stuff. Isn't it neat? Bitch, don't touch it or I'll bust your teeth. Wouldn't you like to be me? Well, girl, that's not happening. Look at me, bitch. I'm exquisite. Look at my stuff, but please don't touch it. Looking at me, you will say, damn, her edges are laid. Now I'll try to break this too simple. We will never be on the same level. You want to fight me, girl? Well, I'll cut you. You've been warned. Have a seat, you dumb whore. Don't come for me unless I send for you. I'm not trying to be rude, I'm just telling the truth. Spreading your lies in the, what's that word? Oh yes, hate. Talking that shit, it won't get you far. If you were smart, you wouldn't mention my name. Just keep my name out of your, what's that word? Oh yes, mouth. Girl, just kick rocks. No, I'm not done. My pettiness has just begun. I could kick your ass, but bitch, I got class. You're not in my world. You wish you were me, but you'll never be, 'cause you're just basic. You're my biggest fan, I understand. That's why you're hating. Get off my dick. You're stalking my pics on all my social media outlets because I'm winning. Stop pretending you're not a fan. I'm ready for you to get a life of your own. I'm ready for you to just leave me alone. I wish you weren't such a basic. What's the word? Bitch, girl, get a life, stay out of mine. You are not relevant, it's my time to shine. I could kick your ass, but bitch, I have class. You're not part of my world. Have a seat, bitch.